Welcome to Your Health, where we explore the latest in health across the country. I'm Erica Cardenas. If you're a lot like us, you're suffering from allergies right about now, but we're talking today on how to keep those symptoms at bay. But first, let's take a look at what's coming up on the show. A dentist that your kids will enjoy going to, what you should know about getting a mental health checkup, and the chores you should avoid this allergy season. All that and more in this episode of Your Health. Allergy season is in full swing, and many of us are feeling the effects. Here to talk more about allergies is Dr. Megan Moore, a naturopathic physician and a member of the Arizona Naturopathic Medical Association. Doctor, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
First off, we're experiencing, some warmer temperatures across the country. Does this mean that allergy season is getting longer?
Yes, to a degree. The reason why seasonal allergies increase every season is due to the various plants and trees that are constantly blooming during springtime. And, the longer the season is drier, the drier the air, the faster the wind that's blowing, the longer that this dust and pollen can kind of blow around in the air we breathe and can contribute to the development of different seasonal allergy symptoms. So the longer and the hotter and the drier the air, the longer the allergy symptoms can totally stick around.
Okay, so how do you know when it's seasonal allergies causing your issues and say, not COVID? What are the symptoms? What's the difference?
Yeah, so a lot of us are familiar with the reoccurring symptoms of allergies, such as sinus pressure, postnasal drip, itchy, watery eyes, or even itchy ears, etc. Common symptoms of seasonal allergies can look very similar to symptoms of coronavirus, in particular cough, sore throat, and nasal congestion, and even elevated temperature, to be quite honest. And the most reliable way to determine if you are infected with COVID is, of course, to get tested. So it's very important for people to be vigilant with monitoring their symptoms. And with this current pandemic situation, always take precautions to minimize COVID-19 spread.
Now, doctor, anything we can do, any tips to keep allergies at bay? What can we do?
Right. So mainly, the main thing that we can all do is just kind of reduce the exposure to allergens as much as you can, and kind of help control that histamine response that leads to the allergy symptoms like hay fever and the severe symptoms we always have. So one way to do that in particular is to reduce the allergens that you are exposed to in your home. So such as removing carpet, using allergen-reducing beds and pillow coverings, even keeping your windows closed during windy days. So it's all about just minimizing that exposure to the allergens that cause your symptoms, which can be difficult, but it's also possible.
Now, what about medication? First off, do you recommend it? And if so, is it something that you have to use on a daily basis?
So every patient is different, every set of seasonal allergies is different, and every treatment should be very individualized depending on the symptoms you have experienced and what your health status is. And in particular, various over-the-counter medications are good at keeping different intense seasonal allergies under control. But oftentimes, they do require daily utilization of those medications to prevent flares of allergies, as well as keep them under control throughout allergy season, which is fine. I mean, that's good if you want to, keep your symptoms under control. However, a lot of those over-the-counter medications do have side effects that you have to discuss with your healthcare professional and that you have to monitor for, such as high blood pressure, drowsiness, fatigue, different things like that. So always monitor with whatever medication and treatment you're doing, always monitor for any changes that you experience and any additional concerns that you need to discuss with your doctor or your healthcare professional.
No, doctor, you are a naturopathic physician. So any tips on natural remedies?
Yeah. So, like always consult your individual naturopathic physician, because again, everyone is different. Everybody's got different symptoms. But to be quite honest, the care that you give, like the natural remedies that you utilize, should basically target the symptoms that you have. So, for example, congestion. I really love doing steam inhalations with eucalyptus oil and lavender essential oil. That is really good for kind of clearing out that congestion and kind of calming down that swelling in your sinuses. Sore throat. So saltwater gargles are actually the age-old treatments for general sore throats. Even stinging nettle tea with local honey sweetener inside, because the honey is made from the local bees that actually consume the local pollen. and help kind of give us that antigen exposure so we can kind of create that immune response against the pollen that's specific to your area. Basically, great herbs that are great for modulating histaminic responses, such as stinging nettle, are really good. My favorite vitamins and minerals that I like to use for allergies include like vitamin C, N-acetylcysteine, quercetin, and even bromelain. All of which are really strong antioxidant molecules that bring down inflammation in the sinuses and help combat the histaminic response that leads to all of the troublesome symptoms. Another common thing that a lot of naturopathic physicians recommend are also probiotics. So the whole point of establishing a good, healthy microbiome is to help contribute to a healthy immune response and healthy immune system. So any kind of help that you can give to the gut is always going to be beneficial to you.
Gosh, so many good tips there. Now, any final tips, any final advice, doctor, on ways we can get through this allergy season?
Yes, take care of yourself. You know, we live in an age where we tend to kind of put ourselves on the back burner and basically try and just get through the symptoms that we're experiencing. But the longer those symptoms stay around, the worse they can become and the more susceptible you can to other things like infection or even sinus infection. So always do your best to monitor your symptoms and adopt vigilant and healthy practices that can help reduce the inflammatory response as well as help resolve your symptoms and get to the root cause of what's causing everything. So always take care of yourself, even not in allergy season.
Doctor, so many great tips. Thank you so much for your time and for joining us. If you'd like more information, head over to the association's website. Eye health is crucial to our overall health, and at Stanton Optical, they can help you with all of your eye care needs with their state-of-the-art technology.
Stanton Optical is an optical retailer that provides eye exams and glasses for every budget. Stanton Optical came to San Diego in 2016. We started off with a store in Santee and have grown to 8 stores here in the county. At Stanton Optical, we offer a comprehensive eye exam. That means we don't skip any testing in order to give you the best exam possible. It is very important to have an annual eye exam to check and monitor the overall health of your eyes.
In 3, 2, 1, open up.
The first part is our pre-test, where our patient care specialist will take you through the exam using our state-of-the-art technology and equipment. The reason why we do so many tests is because we're looking for early stages of glaucoma, diabetes, macular degeneration, and cataracts. What separates Stanton Optical from other optical retailers is our extremely competitive pricing and our cutting-edge telehealth technology.
Maybe I'm gonna go ahead and have a seat.
Hello, welcome.
Hello.
A telehealth exam is a comprehensive eye exam that utilizes telecommunication technology to remotely communicate with the optometrist. This allows us to effectively and accurately provide an eye exam without direct contact with the doctor, ensuring maximum safety protocols. Customers are usually very impressed with the way that the eye exam has evolved. Our system, that is proprietary, was invented by Stanton Optical and solely used within our stores. Here at Stanton Optical, we follow all state and CDC guidelines. We require face coverings and temperature checks for all employees and patients. We practice social distancing by ensuring appropriate space between patients and employees. Face shields and dividers are also utilized throughout the store. All common areas and frames are sanitized after every transaction.
Those are very nice.
At Stanton Optical, we have thousands of frames, and our associates have been trained to find the right frame and style for you. We pride ourselves in making sure that you do look good before you leave the door.
Buy one, get the other one free.
Everything in our store is buy one, get one free. And as long as you make an eyeglass purchase, then the exam is included as well. And we do have promotions to accommodate almost any budget. With our buy one, get one free, you can choose any 2 frames that you wish, whether it be a clear pair, sunglasses, you need readers, or even safety glasses. It's all included. We offer a wonderful selection of safety frames with no additional fees. We also offer complimentary routine maintenance of your glasses. You can also see us with an outside prescription, and we accept most vision plans. To schedule your appointment, just go to stantonoptical.com and choose the location that best suits you. Come on in and we'll see you soon.
The Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America ranks the top allergies cities in the US, and in 2021, Scranton, Pennsylvania took the top spot. If you'd like to see where your city ranks, head over to the website. Stick around, we have more coming up on your health. A look at neuropathy with the doctors from True Health, and why a pediatric dentist is the right choice for your kids.
Diet, exercise, and healthy blood sugar levels are keys to an active lifestyle. Now you can support healthy blood sugar levels the easy way with Axelin. With a proper diet and exercise, just 2 Axelin tablets each day help support healthy blood sugar levels. And Axelin's available without a prescription. Promote healthy blood sugar levels the easy way with Axelin. Enjoy an active lifestyle with diet, exercise, and Axelin. Order today at Axelin.com or Amazon.
We'd like to introduce you to the doctors at True Health, where their approach to wellness is customized to each patient's unique needs. Let's take a look.
So neuropathy is actually more common than we think, and it is nerve damage. So there is over 100 reasons to why neuropathy happens. There is diabetic neuropathy, there is chemical and medication-induced neuropathy. There is also idiopathic, which means we don't know why it happens. But regardless of the reason, we need to know why it's happening and how to treat it. Over time, as these nerves are damaged, they cause patients symptoms like tingling, burning, cramping. Patients are not able to sleep. So with time, this can take a big toll on patients' quality of life. It's very important to treat neuropathy without medication because the medications are simply designed to mask the problems. So as we continue to mask these symptoms, they're just going to get worse. And a lot of these medications, they actually numb your brain, which means they numb the pain. They don't do anything about the root cause of the problem. Our most successful patients are ones that are highly motivated. They don't want the pill for an ill formula. We are the type of clinic that will work with people who are highly motivated to get better. In doing so, using these FDA-approved, groundbreaking treatment modalities, we're able to remarkably see patients do better. Our patients actually do really, really well, where we're able to see these symptoms go away because your body can heal. Your body can heal and wants to heal without medication.
Once the regimen was established, I felt comfortable with it, and I have shown nothing but marked improvement. When I first came in, it looked like this. Now that I'm completing my treatment, this is what I look like. Prior, I was experiencing neuropathy and cramps during the night. I couldn't sleep all night. Presently, I can sleep the whole night. I'm walking without a cane, and my quality of life has vastly improved.
So when our patients come in for nerve damage screening, we do a touch-based exam because these patients have been poked and pried so many times, so this is completely pain-free. This is one of our very severe cases, and you can see that because of the many areas that they have complete black. Black is total loss of function. You can see that just few short treatments later, they went from this to this, and this is how we know that they are actually progressing and then they're improving and their symptoms are going away. At True Health, we pride ourselves in treating all patients like family. So we bend over backwards for our patients. When they come in here for treatments, they want to be here, they love coming here. We have a location here in Chandler, Arizona. We're also located in Scottsdale. And we are ready for you to come in, again, for that free exam and consultations where we can go over your symptoms, see if you make a good candidate for the treatments that we have. We are ready for you. Let's get your quality of life back. You have nothing to lose but your neuropathy.
Going to the dentist can be scary for kids, but not when your dentist specializes in pediatric dentistry. Their goal is to start children off right when it comes to dental health.
Hi, I am Dr. Bill Wagoner. I am the owner of Pediatric Dental Care and Galaxy Smiles. Been in Las Vegas for over 20 years, and I've been a pediatric dentist for nearly 40 years. We are a pediatric dental care office, which means that we only treat children, and that's because that's what we like to do. Pediatric dentists actually do 2 to 3 years of extra schooling after dental school. And in that training, we learn about growth and development of children, growth and development of the jaws, behavior, normal behavior and abnormal behavior of children, and we learn how to best manage that. We're also very blessed to have a lot of dental assistants that have been in pediatric dental offices for many, many years, some for as many as 15 or 20 years. Most of them also have children of their own, and they're all very good at helping anxious children feel more calm in the dental setting. Our goal is to have children come to the office and have a very positive experience. We want the child and the parent to feel a friendly welcome when they step in the door until the time they leave.
My name is Dr. Audrey Niam, and I'm a pediatric dentist here. I love seeing the kids, grow up and, just checking on the progress and just seeing that, as time goes on, the more they get acquainted with our office, you can tell that they really enjoy themselves, and that brings me a lot of joy.
We've always tried to make our offices kid-friendly. And recently, we've teamed up with a group called the Smile Defenders. So we've got Captain Super Smile, we've got Sparkle, X-Ray Boy, Four-Eyed Girl, Grubby the dog. And when kids come, they see all of these posters, and if it's their first visit, at the end of the first visit, they get a superhero mask and a superhero cape. So they get to be a Smile Defender as well.
It's crucial to have kid-friendly, bright colors, fun, and also friendly and warm.
When you walk in, there are superheroes. They do have a TV that the children can watch, and also when the children are getting their teeth worked on, there's a TV on the ceiling that they can watch and feel comfortable.
We take care of the kids, they have a fun time, and we enjoy it.
It means the world to me that I get to bring my kids to the same dentist that took care of my smile, and I trust Dr. Wagoner.
They really treat me with care, they know what they're doing, and they're really nice.
Let their child experience a really friendly and fun dental office.
Pharmacists say during allergy season to take your vitamin C. It blocks the formation of histamine, which is a cause of allergy symptoms. You can get vitamin C from many foods, such as kiwis, bell peppers, or you can take the supplement. Here's what's coming up next on Your Health. We'll talk about when you should get a mental health checkup and the chores you shouldn't do if you have allergies.
Don't let concerns about healthy blood sugar levels control your life. Take control with diet, exercise, and Axilin. Just 2 Axilin tablets each day help support healthy blood sugar levels. Axilin's key plant-based ingredients help your body process carbohydrates and fats. And Axilin is available without a prescription. Control your life and your lifestyle with diet, exercise, and Axilin. Order today at Axilin.com or Amazon.
This pandemic has been difficult and taken a toll on our mental health. The experts at Focus Family Services have advice on when you should seek help and get a mental health checkup.
There are many signs that we notice within ourselves that we know that we can seek help. Your body tells you that something's not right. Whether it's you're sleeping and you prefer to just lay under a pillow and a blanket all day, and that's not your norm. I think if it's anything that's out of your normal day-to-day routine, it's something that you might want to pay attention to and then say, hey, maybe I should call. And maybe it would be good for me to just check in.
This year has been tough across the board. With the pandemic, the health problems of the pandemic have been brutal. People have lost their lives, people have been incredibly sick. Secondary to that, and I've said this from the beginning, there are so many issues related to COVID-19 that aren't related to medical. Depression, anxiety, mental health, suicidality, substance abuse, domestic violence. All of those things, we've been providing those services before we knew what COVID was.
Focused Family Services is about focusing on family. We focus on the individual and their mental health. We focus on restoring individuals to their optimal functioning.
We do outpatient group counseling for substance abuse, anger management, domestic violence. We have a mindfulness skills group that I do. And then we also provide individual counseling, family counseling, in-home counseling, as well as psychosocial rehabilitation services and vocational rehab services. Every year we're supposed to have an annual physical, and I think that it should be the absolute same for mental health. You know, the way the mind and the body are connected is really, really important, and sometimes it will show up physically when it's actually much more of an emotional or a mental problem. So I think getting a checkup, like a mental health checkup, is really, really important.
We are a small behavioral health agency. We pride ourselves in providing the best individualized, personalized care to every member that walks through the door. Larger agencies sometimes struggle with that simply because of their size. With our size and the services we provide, we can make sure that everyone that comes in feels comfortable, they feel like they're part of their treatment team, and they're an integral part of their treatment team, and they feel a sense of belonging with everyone here that they work with. Everyone that's coming in is wearing a mask. All of our staff, when interacting with our members, wearing masks. Everyone that's coming in, their temperature is checked when they walk through the door. All of our members know, and this is reiterated frequently, if you're sick, if you're symptomatic, we can provide telehealth services. We can provide those services via the computer, via the phone. We don't want people here putting themselves or anyone else in harm's way. For anyone that has any questions, our website is www.focusedfamilyaz.com. All of our contact information is there, and our phone number is 602-253-6259.
Another way to keep allergy symptoms at bay are sinus rinses. Doctors recommend you use a neti pot to flush the allergens out of your sinuses. Don't go away, we have more to come on your health, including some final tips on keeping allergy symptoms under control.
Your health is brought to you by Excellent. Take just 2 Excellent tablets each day to support healthy blood sugar levels the easy way. Order today at Excellent.com or Amazon.
Now you can support healthy blood sugar levels the easy way with Excellent. Just 2 Excellent tablets each day help support healthy blood sugar levels, and Excellent's available without a prescription. Order today at Excellent.com or Amazon.
Some allergens like food or animals can be avoided, but when it comes to seasonal allergies, that isn't the case. Here are some tips on dealing with seasonal allergies. Don't do outside chores like gardening, mowing the lawn, and pulling weeds. These activities can stir up pollen. If possible, just stay indoors on dry, windy days when the pollen count soars to avoid triggering your allergies. Don't dry your clothes outside, use the dryer, and make sure to wash your bed linens once a week in hot soapy water to get rid of pollen. And after being outdoors, change your clothes and shower before bedtime so you don't get allergens on your bedding. And know what the pollen counts are in your area so you can plan your activities. The numbers are usually reported on the local news, or you can sign up for pollen count alerts on various websites. Thank you for joining us on Your Health. I'm Erica Cardenas. See you next time.